Hello everybody, Namaskar, welcome. I am Partha, founder of Hub Skills, and I'm teaching online for more than 4 years. I welcome you to my course, Produce Your First Sales Video in PowerPoint. I was tempted to name it Produce Your First Awesome Sales Video, but chose to leave awesome because I want you to experience that without my saying. The course is easy to follow, I can assure you on that, and easy to implement. It's for anyone who wants to create a great sales video, even if he is doing for the first time. If you have never made a sales video, if you feel challenged that you can never write an impressive sales letter, let alone a sales video, rest easy. After my bootcamp, you'll not only create irresistible sales script, but also convert this to a sales video like this. Are you puzzled as to how to start a web business? Are you angry that your plans never see the light of the day? Trust me, I have been there. There is nothing more frustrating when no one buys your product. And it's not for lack of trying. It's just that your existing efforts never seem to work. Hi, my name is Brassaw. And for the last 7 years, I have helped thousands of people like you build successful business on web. I'm very confident you can make a great sales video even if you're doing it for the first time. That's my guarantee. Well, again, that's my guarantee. On your part, just be fluent in English and have some knowledge of PowerPoint. Let me tell you a few more things. You will have my one-on-one support for 17 hours a week. Call me on Skype. I'll be there to help you. You will also have 4 e-booklets and 10 video tutorials to keep. That means you are never out of resources even after the bootcamp ends. So there you are. Come, join my bootcamp. Become an awesome sales video maker. See you inside. Have a nice day.